Imagine Microsoft 365 as this massive corporate campus. Now, Copilot and its specialized agents, they're basically your dedicated staff, helping you navigate through tons of data and delegate those really complex tasks. In this explainer, we're going to explore exactly how to deploy these digital workers effectively so you can finally bridge that gap between raw data and actionable insights.
So here is what we're covering today. We'll start with Microsoft 365 AI fundamentals, move into Copilot in-app and chat, look at researcher and analyst agents, check out pre-built coaching tools, dive into custom and SharePoint agents, and wrap up with how to choose the right tool. Let's get right to it.
Section 1. Microsoft 365 AI Foundations. Foundational concepts for AI and M365.
Okay, think of Copilot as your personal desk assistant. It helps you with whatever is sitting right in front of you. Agents, on the other hand, are more like specialized department workers who handle very specific, repeatable processes. On a technical level, Copilot instances are tightly woven directly into your Microsoft 365 apps and the Microsoft Graph. This makes them absolutely perfect for those interactive, user-driven tasks where you just need immediate help. But agents, they operate at a totally different level of scope and complexity. They're designed for repeatable organizational workflows, department-specific processes, or even complex integrations with systems entirely outside of Microsoft 365. Now, if you're gearing up for the AB900 exam, it is crucial to understand this difference in scope and complexity. As an admin, you have to grasp these foundational boundaries so you can properly route user requests to the correct AI capability.
Section 2. Copilot in-app and chat. Contextual creation versus knowledge discovery.
Picture in-app Copilot as a really smart colleague sitting right next to you helping you write a document. Copilot Chat, though, is more like the company archivist who can basically search the entire building for information. Technically speaking, in-app Copilot optimizes specific tasks inside a single workflow, like drafting a report in Word or throwing together a chart in Excel. Copilot Chat, however, operates as a knowledge discovery layer across your entire tenant. It isn't just tied to one document. It actively queries across the Microsoft Graph to pull answers from multiple data sources all at once. And hey, when it comes to your AB900 certification, you definitely need to remember that Chat requires precise Microsoft search configurations and really stringent permission controls, because obviously that archivist can only show you files you're actually authorized to see. Using in-app Copilot is literally like having an expert instantly build a slide deck or write a report right there on your screen. It drastically accelerates common tasks. It can generate Word drafts from your recent meeting notes, create pivot charts directly in Excel without you having to write a single formula, and even assemble PowerPoint slides from existing finance reports. It relies entirely on local app context. So a project manager can just ask Word to draft a status report based on yesterday's notes, and boom, the app does the rest. As an IT admin taking the AB900, your focus here is all about the background configuration. To make sure Copilot actually has the context it needs to build these files, you have to ensure transcription and document storage policies are properly configured.
Now, let's scale that up a bit. Copilot Chat is like asking a hyper-efficient librarian to pull every single client file from every single cabinet in the building. Instead of searching just one app at a time, it aggregates meeting transcripts, Teams chats, Outlook emails, and SharePoint files via Microsoft Graph. So if a user says, hey, summarize all meetings this week about the Contosa rollout, Chat pulls from everywhere to give you a complete, broader view. And surprisingly, it can do this across external platforms too, indexing thousands of records in seconds. So if your organization connects outside data sources, like ServiceNow or Salesforce, your job as an admin to properly configure those Microsoft Graph connectors so Copilot can securely retrieve that external data. Definitely remember that for the exam.
Section 3. Researcher and analyst agents. Tackling unstructured and structured data.
The researcher agent acts just like a private investigator sifting through a really messy, unorganized filing cabinets. It specializes in unstructured data. Think long emails, rambling Teams chats, and massive Word documents. It uses semantic search to go way beyond basic keyword matching. It actually understands the relationships between people, projects, and activities to summarize long-form content. For example, an IT admin preparing a briefing on past network outages can get a beautifully curated list of incidents, or a compliance officer could use it to condense hundreds of pages of contracts while maintaining links back to the original sources. Here's a critical insider tip for the exam. Researcher relies heavily on Microsoft Graph relationships. By instantly surfacing these curated summaries, you, as the admin, are saving your executives and compliance teams literally hours of manual digging. If researcher is the private investigator, the analyst agent is your financial whiz who turns a pile of raw receipts into a clean, easy-to-read presentation. It focuses purely on structured information like spreadsheets and tables. It cleans up Excel data, integrates directly with Power BI, and generates automated narrative explanations. A department head can literally just ask, hey, which quarter had the highest variance between forecast and actual expenses, and get an instant, accurate chart. From an administrative and exam perspective, this agent is a massive win. It entirely eliminates the need for non-technical users to write complex DAX formulas. This drastically reduces your dependency on BI developers for basic requests and ensures that your organizational reporting policies stay standardized.
Section 4. Pre-built coaching and ideas, low-maintenance AI assistance.
Deploying a pre-built agent is a lot like hiring a temp agency worker who arrives at the office already fully trained and ready to go. You have the writing coach to help refine email tones and grammar, the career coach for professional development and interview prep, and the ideas coach for brainstorming and ranking new product features. These target very specific standard professional scenarios. And because they're pre-configured, secure, and fully maintained by Microsoft, your IT support overhead is practically zero. You don't need to develop, configure, or manage the underlying logic at all, which is exactly why they are a staple concept on the certification exam.
Section 5. Custom and SharePoint agents, tailoring AI to organizational needs.
Okay, what if you could turn a static, boring HR cheat sheet into an interactive, talking manual? Well, business users can do exactly that with Copilot Studio. Without any programming experience at all, they can build simple, no-code bots. A marketing coordinator might build a Q&A bot for branding guidelines, or a finance lead might build an agent to guide users through an expense checklist, which totally removes those repetitive "how do I" support tickets. But for admins, the game really changes here. You aren't building these bots anymore. Your exam scenarios will focus entirely on establishing governance guardrails, monitoring usage, and managing specific SharePoint or OneDrive access so that this user-driven innovation happens safely.
A SharePoint agent is like a dedicated records clerk managing a specific, highly organized warehouse. It helps users discover content without needing to know the exact folder structures. It reminds users to apply metadata when uploading contracts, and it can even trigger list-based workflows, like pinging a team when project deadlines are approaching. When dealing with SharePoint agents, your administrative mind should immediately jump to one word: governance. What the agent is actually allowed to surface and automate is directly restricted by your access controls, retention labels, and compliance rules within SharePoint.
If a simple user agent is a talking manual, an advanced custom agent is a full-scale robotic assembly line. These are built by IT teams or developers to orchestrate really complex cross-system tasks. Think of a supply chain agent that constantly monitors incoming orders, queries inventory systems, and then automatically triggers manufacturing workflows via APIs if stock gets low. Deploying these robotic assembly lines demands advanced IT configuration. You're going to need to master Power Automate connectors, custom APIs, and strict data loss prevention guardrails to securely tie external ERP systems right into Microsoft 365.
Section 6. Choosing the right tool. Aligning capabilities with business needs. Choosing the right tool is a lot like choosing the right vehicle. You'd want a bicycle for a quick trip, but you'd absolutely need a freight train for heavy cargo. For your AB900 scenarios, make sure you memorize this alignment. Use Copilot for user-driven, one-off, unplanned tasks inside familiar apps. Use pre-built agents when you have a predictable volume of standardized requests like HR policies or writing help. Use everyday user agents for lightweight, no-code lookups within a specific team. Use SharePoint agents when you need to navigate governed libraries and manage structured document lifecycles. And finally, use custom agents for multi-system orchestration, APIs, and complex automation.
Ultimately, the final decision always comes down to this framework. You have to align the tool's capabilities with the specific business problem and your required IT governance. Understanding when to deploy a simple in-app assist versus a multi-step custom agent is the absolute key to mastering Copilot administration. So, as you prepare for your exam and step back into your own organization's campus, ask yourself, are your users currently riding a bicycle to haul freight, or are you ready to deploy the right specialized agents to do the heavy lifting for them?